Hello, today we will guide you through how to export data from KoboToolbox to SPSS. To begin, open KoboToolbox in your web browser and make sure you are on the main projects area. This is where you can see the forms or projects available in your account. If you manage multiple surveys or data collection tools, take a moment to confirm that you are selecting the correct one before moving ahead. That small check can help you avoid exporting the wrong dataset. Once you are on the projects page, click on Sample Project. This will open the specific project where your collected data is stored. Inside a project, KoboToolbox organizes information into several sections, so the goal here is simply to get into the right workspace before starting the export process. After the project opens, look at the top of the page and click on Data. This section is where KoboToolbox stores submitted records and gives you options for reviewing, filtering, and exporting responses. If you have a large number of submissions, this area may also help you verify that the data is present before you download it. Next, click on Downloads. The Downloads area is where KoboToolbox lets you generate files in different formats, depending on the software you want to use. Since SPSS is commonly used for statistical analysis, choosing the correct export type here is important for making sure your data is easy to work with later. In the export settings, click on the Select Export Type option and choose SPSS. This tells KoboToolbox to prepare the dataset in a format that is compatible with SPSS. If you are planning to do coding, cleaning, or statistical analysis in SPS, this option is the one you want. It helps preserve the structure of your survey data in a way that is more convenient for analysis. Finally, click on Export. KoboToolbox will begin generating the SPSS export file for your project. Depending on the size of your dataset, this may take a few moments. Once the export is ready, you can download the file and save it to your computer in a location that is easy to find later. After downloading, it is a good idea to open the file in SPSS and quickly review the variable names and records to make sure everything exported as expected. That quick check can save time before you begin deeper analysis. And that's it. You've successfully exported data from KoboToolbox to SPSS.